Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving deep into customizing your Android experience with a powerful tool, the Lawnchair launcher. We'll guide you through installing the latest Android 15 compatible version using a Magisk module. Lawnchair is an open-source Android launcher inspired by Google's Pixel launcher. Think of it as a highly customizable version that gives you more control over your home screen experience. It's known for its sleek design, smooth performance, and a wide range of features that let you personalize every aspect. This method requires root access via Magisk or kernel SU. If your device isn't rooted, you'll need to root it first. Find the download link for the latest Lawnchair Magisk module in the video description. Launch the Magisk Manager application on your phone. Tap Install and confirm the installation. After successful installation, reboot your device for the changes to take effect. Now you can apply thousands of different icon packs to give your home screen a personalized touch. Resize and reposition widgets freely for optimal screen utilization. Customize gestures for quick actions like opening the app drawer, accessing Google Assistant, and more. If you encounter any issues, try clearing the Lawnchair app cache and data. If problems persist, consider reinstalling the module or reverting to a previous backup. Lawnchair is a powerful tool for transforming your Android home screen. With its extensive customization options and seamless integration with Magisk, it offers a truly personalized experience. I encourage you to explore its features and create a home screen that reflects your unique style. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Android customization tips and tutorials. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite Lawnchair features or any questions you may have. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.